Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have received the July Globein box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my July Globein box just arrived. Globein does send me this for review, so thank you so much Globein for sending me this amazing box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. My last two boxes were amazing. Now they always have their monthly theme, and you can either choose that, you can be surprised, or you can choose additional themes that they have available at the time. So that's one thing that I really like about Globein, is because they have such a huge variety when it comes to their boxes and getting you what you want. So let's go ahead and open this up. And everything's so colorful. Here's the booklet that goes over all of the items and gives you a lot of information. And then when you open up, that is the presentation inside. So let me go ahead and remove the items in the box so we can kind of get some of this paper crinkle-less stuff out of the way. Okay, you guys, so now that I have removed all the boxes, the paper, the bubble wrap, all of that noisy stuff, let's go ahead and dive into this month's theme. That is the box that I have chose. And let's see what all we are going to have. So the very first thing right off the bat is this pitcher right here. This is a personal Sangria Pitcher. This was handmade in Morocco, and that is beautiful. I really like that. So that's what it says on the bottom. It looks like it's signed, but look at how gorgeous that picture is. And you know, blue is my favorite color. And other than teal, navy blue, dark blue like this is just my favorite color. And I love the way that that looks. And I'm definitely going to sit this in my living room, probably with all the other little blue and white vase things that I have going on, and stick it there. I may or may not put flowers in here. I think it looks cute just like that, but it would look cute with maybe a little bit of like flowers or greenery sticking out of it. Maybe, I'm not sure. I'm gonna do something with this, but I think that is super cute. So there's all of the detail up close. Again, this is all handmade in Morocco. How cute. I love that first item already. That is super cute. Okay, so now the next one is glass stirs. There's a set of 6, and this is really cute. So we have a whale, there's a dolphin, here is a palm tree, this is a starfish, here is a parrot, and a cactus. So here's a set of all 6 glass stirring sticks, and these were handmade in Mexico. And they do have their little sticker on the bottom. This is handmade in Mexico. So you have a set of 6. They're all glass, and those are super cute. And they are really, well, that's actually, is that one broken or no? One is just a little shorter than the others, but that is a really good height, because even like, for example, this, it still sticks out. So if you had a tall glass that you're stirring up, these would be even perfect because they're nice and tall and long length. So there's that set right there. Now, we have is this right here. This is a stemless hand-blown wine glass grain swirl. If you guys follow me, you know my wine glasses are like, I use these for my shot glasses. But that is really pretty, and it's nice and green. That's my man's favorite color, so I think I'll use like the sunburst one from like last box, and I'll let him use this one, even for like, you know, like whiskey, something like that, but not for really a wine glass. Maybe he'll use it for one, but I know I need a big one. I'll take the whole bottle. But that is super pretty. I like the green. It is a dark like hunter green, and it has the swirls throughout it. And this is handmade in Mexico. But that is really neat. Now we have 2 more items, you guys. So now we have, which I think this is the perfect time of year for, and I was really excited to get this, is this right here. This is a palm leaf fan. This is handmade in Mexico. You can see right there they're basket weaving. They make all kinds of stuff. So this is actually a hand fan. And whoa, you can get in some good blowage going on, because look at my hair. And I'm not even trying to go fast because I'm not trying to have things knock off my desk. But that is definitely, whoa, that feels good. This would even be nice to sit on my patio. So if I'm just sitting outside and it's really, really hot, I can just fan myself off and be like, oh, yay, yeah. This is amazing. I really like that. And I like how it has like those are all palm leaves. So how pretty. I really like that. I like the design. I like how the middle has the green. I really like that. So that is really cool. So we have the palm leaf fan. And then the last item, you guys, is right here. These are dried mangoes, and these were handmade in India. And yeah, so you have this full package here of dried mangoes. My man loves mango, so I know he's just gonna probably take this from me, but let me show you what they look like. It's a resealable package. These are definitely, when I looked in, it didn't look appealing. When I looked in there, I was like, what is that? Do I got some chicken gizzards? Like, that didn't look like a mango. I was thinking they're gonna be slices, not full on pieces that look like jerky. That just threw me off. But that is a mango. Like I said, I'm not a huge mango fan, but like even like this one, it just looked very unique down in there. So that is everything that came in this particular kit. We got some dry mangoes. First time I've had like an actual like treat like that, so that's really neat. We have this stemless wine glass, and you can use it for whatever kind of glass you would like. We have this beautiful, gorgeous pitcher. We have the glass stirring stick set, and we have the handmade leaf fan, which, oh, that is, I'm definitely gonna get some usage out of this one for sure. So that is everything that came in this theme box, you guys. What did you think of this box? What did you think of the items that came in this? Again, they always have so many different options to choose from, and this is the one that I chose because I really, really wanted this pitcher and that fan. These were the two things that I really, really wanted from this complete set, but I knew my man would love the mangoes, and I really, really I love all of their glasses, so I was so glad to have another one. So if you guys want to know a little bit more about Globein, I do have a code, which is SheCrafty. That'll give you 50% off your first month's box of any 3-month or more prepaid subscription. It doesn't work on a one-time only box. It works if you do a 3-month at a time box, and then you'll get 50% off your first month's box. 1 month, it's $40. For 3 months, it brings it to $38. 6 months brings it to $35, and 12 months brings it down to $33. So the more months you prepay for, the cheaper you can get the monthly box for. Their mission is to deliver joy and empowering and connecting remarkable remote artisans to mindful customers. We empower remarkable artisans in remote areas with the tools to build sustainable businesses. Providing connection and guidance, we help our partners feel stronger, more confident, and in control of their lives through the expression of their craft. As servant leaders, we improve the lives of our artisans so they can take great care of themselves, their families, and their communities. So there's all the pricing and everything about Globein. That is everything that I got in this month's July's box. Definitely comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly do appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.